Hello everyone, still on AP. Yes, we are still on AP. We are rounding up. We are about to exhaust different types of problems that examiners ask on AP. We are still solving different patterns of problems that we have on AP. Remember, don't forget that the main aim of these classes, of these mathematics classes, is to teach you how to solve mathematics correctly and accurately, both in the exam hall and in your different classes. Yes, both in your exam and your different class works. And as you can see, AP are mostly word problems. And I observe as a mathematics teacher that most times students find it difficult solving questions on word problems. So my advice is this: you go through the other questions on this volume. They are all on word problems, so you understand clearly, very well, how to solve problems on word problem. Yes, it will help you understand, it will help you to know how to solve mathematical problems on word problem. Okay, I'll take the question, and the question says, I want to read. The question says, the first term of an AP is 7, and the fourth term is 32, comma, find the sum of the first 10 terms. I write my solution. As usual, I always tell students, if you are solving problem on word problem, endeavor to write out your data, yes, in a sketchy form, so that it can help you to see them clearly and use them. And also, it will help you to know the formula you will use to solve that particular problem. So the first thing I will do now is to bring out the data that are given to me on this problem. And the first data is, the first term is 7. So our first term, which is represented in AP by A, is equals to 7. So I write A equals to 7. A means first term, which is first number in APs. Okay? And another say the fourth term is represented in AP by T4 is equals to 32. Is there another data? Okay, it says find the sum of the first 10 terms. 10 terms, which means n, the number of terms they want us to find is 10. So write n represent number of terms is equals to 10. And we are looking for the sum of the 10 terms. So Sn represents sum is equals to unknown. You don't know it. That's what we are asked to solve for. Okay? I don't have written out the data, and now come to solve proper. I wrote out the formula for solving sum on AP, which is Sn denotes sum is equals to n over 2, open big bracket, 2a plus, open small bracket, n minus 1, close small bracket, d, close the big bracket. I want to substitute these values into this formula. But as I'm looking at, I observe that I did not see D in this data, which means they did not give us D, and we must get D. Here, we must have D before we can use this formula to get the sum, because we can't be looking for, we can't be for, we can't use one formula to be solving for two quantities at the same time. So what do we do? Because you don't have D, what you do is that you leave this formula for now. You leave it for now, and first of all, find the formula we use to get our D first. So what do I do now? I'll come this side. Let me come this side. I'll do this one. I'll come this side. I'll use the common formula of AP to get my D first. And the formula I want to use is this. Let me do line first. I want to use this formula now. I use T. Let me stand here. Tn is equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 D. This is the formula I want to use now to get my D first. Okay? And Tn that I want to use is T4, because they give us the value for T4 as state 2. So I'll use it. I'll say T4 is equals to our A, we know from here is 7. So I put 7, put my plus, open the bracket. Which n are we using? We are talking of T4. So what will be here? This n will become 4. I'll substitute 4 here. 4 minus 1, that is in the brackets. Then I'll write D. That is what you are solving for. You don't know the value. If I continue, I'll write T4. They gave us the value of T4 as 32. So I'll substitute 32 here now. And say 32 is equals to 7 plus 4 minus 1 gives us what? 3. This is incorporation. And like I said, put it inside brackets. Then I carry down this G. Don't forget that that is what you are solving for. We are solving to get the value of this, so that you can use this formula to get the sum of this AP. We continue. I carry down this 32 down again. 32 is equals to, still carry the 7 down. 7 plus, and I will say 3 times D gives me 3D. 3D. I still continue. I'm rounding off now. I try down the 32. No, I'll collect like term. These two, 32 and 7, they are like, so I'll collect like term. So I say 32. I said like of 32 is 7 because 32 and 7 did not have D. This number have D, but these two do not have D. So I'll collect 2 of them together, they are like. Then I carry this 7 to come and make this 32. Here is plus. If you cross this above this and it becomes minus. So I'll have 32 minus 7. Still that equals to 30. 32 minus 7 gives us what? It gives us 25. So I write 25. Still that my equals to is equals to 30. What do? Once mathematics come to this level, the only thing remain is to divide. And because I'm looking for the value of d, I will do what now? I'll divide the both sides of this equation by the coefficient of d, which is 3. Why? So that d can stand alone. Then you know the actual value of d. So I will say 25 divided by 3 is equals to 3d divided by the same 3. If I divide now, d will stand alone. This side, I don't want to divide it because if I divide it, it will give me mixed fraction. So I'll leave it like that. Alright. 20 is 25 over 3 is equals to d. That means d is equals to 25 over 3. Let me write it out like that. I say d, this d is equals to 25 over 3. 25 over 3. This is the value of d. Now we have gotten the value of d. It will now be easy, possible for us to use this formula now to solve for the sum of the first 10 terms of this AP. Yes. So let's get started. Sn, which is sum. Remember, the question says we should get the sum of the first 10 terms. So I'll write S10. We are looking for the sum of first 10 terms. Okay? S10, first 10 terms, is equals to n. See, whatever n represents here, it will also represent the same thing here. So here will be 10. Observe when we get our n here as 4. N here become 4. So n here is 10. N here will be 10. Is that clear? Over 2 in the formula. Open the bracket. 2. I said there is always invisible times here. So times a. Our a is what? 7. 7 plus, open this bracket, and still 10 minus 1, close the bracket. D, our D is 25 over 3, so I'll write it 25 over 3, close the big bracket. And we continue. Cut down the S10. S10 is equals to 10 over 2 is simply 5. 5. Open the bracket, and 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus, come this side, 10 minus 1 is 9. Write 9. Just put it inside bracket. And okay, let me put it inside bracket. Let me put it inside bracket. Okay? Now 25 over 3. Let me just write it down like that. 25, this 25 over this 3. Still close bracket. I continue. We are solving to get the value of the first 10 term of this AP, which is S10. So carry it down again. S10 is equals to, I still have my 5, is not yet to use it to open bracket. Open this bracket like this, still write my 4, same. Put this plus, then I come this side. What do? I simply reduce the number so that to be easier. I say 3 cancel itself 1, cancels 9, 3. Okay. Now simply say 3 times 25 give us 75. Alright, 75 over this over. No, nothing again because we have cancelled the 3, so only 75. Close this bracket. Close the bracket. And I continue like this. We are rounding off now. Carry down the S10. That's what you are solving for. Solving to get the S10 is equals to. I still carry down my 5. Not yet time to use it. Open the bracket. And I will say 14 plus 75. What will it give us? It will give us 8, 9. So it will give us 89. Okay. I say 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7 is 80. 4 plus 5, 9. So that's how I know that it will give us 89. I continue. I carry down the S10. Put equals again. Now time to use this 5. And open bracket. And I'll say 5 times 89. We will do it 1. 5 times 9 gives us 45. So I write 5. Carry 4. I say 5 times 8 gives us what? 40 plus that 5 to become 44. So I have 44. Yes. That means S10, which is the sum of the first 10 terms of this AP, is 445. Yes, this 445. That's the answer. Yes, 445. Answer.